for stopping by my YouTube channel, Creatively Yours, and this is Gina here. I'm going to do a quick coloring tutorial on how to color in this digital stamp image that I have available now at Whimsy Stamps. This is my Cozy Lovebirds stamp that's available. And what I would like to share is how you can color in these digital stamp images using Sharpies and Crayola pencils. I also want to share that the cool thing about digital stamps is you can make your images whatever size you like, a small size or a larger size. For this video, I'm going to be coloring in a small image just to save on time. So let me begin. it's all done, all colored in. Then this is where you do your cutting. Now some people like to leave an outline. On this one, I actually did leave an outline, okay? And white outlines are really cute as well. But if you want to do like a close cut, you can just go around the edges. And I suggest that you don't move your scissors, you just move your paper, okay? Just move your paper and it'll glide right around. The other part I suggest is when you have these really deep intricate parts that are hard to get to, I always go ahead and make a cut directly there at these points. This is just a tip to share from my years of doing this. This makes it easier when you got to get to those points. You don't have to worry about tearing the paper or the image. Sometimes that happens. So I will go ahead and show you this one part, but I don't want to take too much time because I'm running low on that. Again, removing the paper, and you see how easy that came out. So now I'm going to show you a sample of the colored lines here. This is this color of the bird. If you do your soft stroke, you see how light it comes out in the medium and then your hard lines. So you can get variation of color for your shading using the simple color pencils. And then as you can see here, this is a little bit more detailed cutting I did just to show you. Now here's one already done, already cut out. I even cut the inside part out. And then at the end, I used a black Sharpie for this one, and I inked this edge here. So you can see right here, you can still see some white on his head, and then on this side you don't, and that's because this is a part that I did with the marker. Now you could also use black ink or brown, whatever color you want to use. Just like I did on this, I inked the edges of this, see, to make it pop more. So then after I colored in and cut it out, I added some stickles, as you can see here, the glitter to the hearts, and pop dots on I colored an additional nest and pop dotted it right here. And then I put it on this cute little paper background and made it into a wall hanging. Also, if you like that We Got a Cozy Kind of Love, I created that to coordinate with this step, and it's available at my Facebook page. The link is below. Thank you again for looking. Have a nice day. Goodbye.